All right, so we've got the Project Pro here with the collated screws in here, and we're going through our chipboard. So we'll have a quick look at this. So firstly, you'll notice there, I am screwing into hardwood joists here in the existing house. So as you can see, as I'm installing that, I'm having to bend over a bit. Still better than nailing and so forth, but that's the Quik Drive Project Pro. So there's the traditional Quik Drive here. The one thing I'm gonna say straight away is I'm not gonna be bending over as much. So straight away, the value in that is worth it for me. You can see that eats it a lot easier. Hardwood joist again, I wasn't bending over. Nonetheless, if I'm doing a little project, that's gonna be a great little thing. I don't have to do as much setting up. I don't have to add an extra big tool in the ute or the trailer for the day. But yeah, absolute winner. So without these tools, what a lot of people are doing is we've got an impact driver and some screws. So as I said, same bits here, same screws. I'm bending over for every screw, moving around. Never want to do that again. Right, so the key features of this, I've got the whole kit right here. So I've had to buy drill, components, fittings for it. Whereas, great key feature to this is this plugs on to any existing tool that you'll have, drill, impact driver, and away you go.